Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable version on Oracle Linux 10.1. But the process is same on all Oracle Linux versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome web browser, then download Chrome, then select 64-bit .rpm package. Then click on accept and install. Wait a moment, see download started and its size is 115 megabytes and it is RPM package. In meantime open terminal. See download is completed. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the RPM package. We have to install sudo rpm -ivh no deps. Then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire file name from your keyboard. Hit enter. For the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, Google Chrome version is 143. Ignore this warning. Now go to show applications. See here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See, welcome to Google Chrome. Make Google Chrome the default browser. If you want, keep the checkbox, and if you want always automatically send usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to keep the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on OK. I don't want to sign in. Don't sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome current stable version, that is 143 on Oracle Linux 10.1. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.